Okay, you have this model that's in front of you, right? And you have this little half sheet. The models need to go back into that clear box container on the yellow, and when you're done, this gets turned in. And once this is done, we're going to start our quiz. For those of y'all that are with a sub, make sure that you're going to read the board. Questions 23 and 24. 23 is the Venn diagram. You need 3 facts in each. And 24, that's the one that talks about the moon phases and makes something that looks like this. You don't have to, but it's an easier way to answer that question. Okay, moving on. So, let's read number 1. You're on this side with the questions on your worksheet. It says, number 1, place your model on your desk with the sun rays coming from the left. Turn your Earth into position B is at noon. So on this model, you have the sunlight, then you have the moon, and the moon is attached to the water. So this the blue is representative of the water that is on Earth. And then this entire inner circle rotates, and that's representative of like Earth itself, right? So this is kind of all Earth and then the moon. But the moon has the gravitational attraction and it pulls the tide, so that's where the bulges are. Got it? Okay. So the sun is to the left, and then you're going to put D at position where it's noon. Where is position noon?
High noon?
Not high noon, but noon. Think of where is the sun at noon on Earth? It's above you, right? So the sun would be above you, so put the sun at position D, and then figure that out, right? So if the sun is at position D, that would be noon. Got it? All right, so if you, right now, it's like 12, or it's 1:30-ish. It's 1:30, right? Or think it's like noon and you're at the pool and it's the summer, right? We're going to stay at one location here in Dripping Springs. When it's noon, the sun is right above you. So at noon on Earth, the sun is right above you. Got it? So D would be at noon. You're not worrying about the moon yet. You will get there, and it's going to have you rotate around, right? So the original instruction says, use your model to answer the following questions. Making the connections, part 1. Number 1 in the first section says, place your model on your desk with the sun's rays coming from the left. Turn the Earth until position D is at noon. Then you can answer the following questions. What part of Earth is having midnight, meaning experiencing midnight? B. Right? It doesn't matter where your moon is yet. It will tell you to move your moon. You're going to move the moon in the same direction that the arrow is pointing to. So this would be what? Counterclockwise, and you're going to rotate Earth counterclockwise when it tells you to. So which on here is experiencing, what's the next question? Sunrise? Soon to be sunrise. Which of these points is soon to be experiencing sunrise? A, because if you turned your model 6 hours from like 6 a.m., right, to like noon, right, these are about 6 hours apart. So it technically would be A, experiencing sunrise. Sunset would be C. Do y'all understand how to go through this model? All right. Okay. When you're done with this, turn it into the box, and then I'll give you instructions on when we start our quiz. So your quiz will go, your phones will go into the spa, you'll put everything away, and then I'll give you instructions.
Quiz today?
Do we answer those on Zoom?
Yes.